same time as last time. Say hi.
Would have been a 21.416, becomes a no time.